Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Let us quickly revise what are complementary angles. Complementary angles is a pair of angles whose sum is 90 degree. If we have two angles, for example angle A and angle B, their sum should be 90 degree. Such angles are known as complementary angles. Now we will study about the trigonometric ratios of complementary angle. This is also a very easy topic. There are six trigonometric ratios. Let us enlist them. The first one is sine 90 minus A. It is opposite of sine, that is cos A. Second is cos 90 minus A, opposite of cos, sin A, very easy to remember. Third one is tan 90 minus A, again opposite of it, inverse, that is cot A. Fourth is cosec 90 minus A, which is sec A, cosec sec. Fifth, sec 90 minus A, which is cosec A. And the sixth one is cot 90 minus A, which is equal to tan A. If you see, there is a clear-cut relationship between the ratios sine and cos, a pair in reverse of that. Sin 90 minus A, cos 90 minus A, sin A. Tan and cot, if you see, it is a pair. So, tan 90 minus A, cot A, and cot 90 minus A, tan A. Cosec and sec a pair, cosec 90 minus A is sec A, and sec 90 minus A is cosec A. These are the 6 ratios for complementary angles. We will be solving examples related to this. First example I will give you, it is a very easy example and it will help you understand the concept. The first example is how to solve if the value is given to you in angles like sin 80 degree upon cos 72 degree. Here the trick is any one of them, either the sin or the cos, you change into the complementary ratio. Now if you clearly see, 72 plus 18 is equal to 90. So either you can take 90 minus 18 which will be 72, or 90 minus 72 which is 18. Let us convert cos 72 into a complementary angle. So sin 18 degree, combination of complementary, 72 can be written as 90 minus 18. I can easily write 72 as 90 minus 18. As I have written here, see the difference of 90 minus 18 is 72. So, 72 can be also written as 90 minus 18. Now, if you see here, I have written here cos 90 minus A is sin A. So, sin 18 and cos 90 minus A will become sin 18, because here A is 18. So, it will become sin 18. Sin 18 and sin 18 will get cancelled. So, you get 1. So, there is no need to panic that the angles given to us are other than 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. No matter whatever the angles are given, you can apply the concept of complementary angles and solve it the way I have solved it on the screen. Now, I will give you another example. We will do another example. If you see here, the example is, question given to us is sin 3A is equal to cos A minus 26. Now, I can only solve if both the sides we have similar variables or similar unknown things. Now, if you see here, our first ratio is sin 90 minus A is cos A and cos 90 minus A is sin A. Now, here I have sin 3A. Sin 3A can also be written as cos 90 minus 3a using the second identity, that is second cos 90 minus a is equal to sin a. So, sin 3a can be written as cos 90 minus 3a. Now, I will replace this here. It becomes cos 90 minus 3a is equal to cos a minus 26. Now, if you see both the sides, we have the same ratio cos cos. They will be only equal if the angles are equal. Again, I will repeat, the equality sign will only be honored if the angles are equal. So, we can clearly say, therefore, 90 minus 3a is equal to a minus 26. We will solve like any other equation. 3a minus a is equal to minus 26 minus 90. Here it will become minus 4a, which is equal to minus 116. Therefore, a is equal to 116 divided by 4. If we solve this, we get a is equal to 29. And our requirement was to find angle A. So, my answer, don't forget to write the answer, highlight it, angle A is equal to 29 degree. Now, example 3, express cot 85 degree plus cos 75 degree in terms of trigonometric ratios of angle between 0 degree and 45 degree. cot 85 और cos 75 को हमें 85 डिग्री और 75 डिग्री एंगल्स को 0 से 45 डिग्री में के बीच में एक्सप्रेस करना है. अगेन वी विल बी यूजिंग द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स. cot 85, if you see here, cot is tan 90 minus a and cos is sin 90 minus a. So, how will we see? We can write it as 85 75 cot. So, 85 again complementary angles, 85 plus 15 is equal to 90 degree and 75 plus 85 plus 5 is 90 degree and 75 plus 15 is 90 degree. So, how can you express 85? 85 can be clearly expressed as 90 minus 5. We will use the sixth complementary ratio, cot 90 minus a is equal to tan a. So, I can write my question in the format 85 degree plus cos 75 degree. 85 degree can be written as 90 minus 5 and cos 75 can be written as cos 90 minus 15. Now, using the second ratio and the sixth complementary ratio for complementary angle, cos 90 minus a is sin a and cot 90 minus a is tan a. So, this will become tan 5 and this will become cos 15. Now, 5 and 15 both lie between 0 and 45. So, we have expressed the given expression cot 85 plus cos 75 as ratio of angles between 0 degree and 45 degree, and it comes to as tan 5 plus cos 15. Writing our answer, again highlighting it, tan 5 plus cos 15. These are the three different type of examples which are often asked in the board exams, very important from the board point of view. I hope you understand. Any doubts, please feel free to comment. I will clear all your doubts. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.